Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use LG microwave scan to cook model. First, hold the button to start Wi-Fi on microwave. Then second, go to LG ThinQ and add devices. After that, go to countertop. Then scan the device through barcode. After that, it will take some time for searching for devices. Then you just have to confirm to microwave Wi-Fi. After, you have to pair your nearby Wi-Fi model which is connected to your mobile. After confirmation, your microwave will sync to your mobile. After confirming, it will take to synchronize. Now you can see on the microwave display Wi-Fi is connected with your mobile. Now what you have to keep ITC product ready to cook. Okay, in the case of we don't have the ITC food product packet, so I just take out from the Amazon, okay, one product, and I scanned it over there. You can see here. Now all the details of food are displayed on the mobile. Just you have to tap on the send button, then all the details are sent to in microwave. After that, you just have to click on a start button on the microwave. Now you can see it's the cooking time shown on the display on your mobile.